If you guys want to be earning up to $20 or perhaps even $50 a day completely passively from HoneyGain, then you're definitely going to want to watch today's video till the end, because I have been able to achieve just that super easily with just one device. You heard that right. A lot of the other HoneyGain videos out there basically are just going to tell you to get 2 different devices, which obviously is not practical, since I'm not sure about you, but I don't have more than really one phone lying around, and I don't know anybody also who has more than one phone lying around. And on top of that, if you have an iOS phone like I do, then you know that you cannot actually close HoneyGain while you go ahead and are gaining coins, because iOS does not allow you to do that anymore. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you a working method as of 2023, which means that you guys are definitely going to want to hop on this right now, because if you go ahead and do, I know that it's going to work because it's already worked for me, for you to be making up to $20 to $50 a day completely passively from HoneyGain. So if that sounds interesting, make sure you go ahead and stick till the end of this video, because I know it's going to be worth your time. So as you can see on this completely fresh new HoneyGain account, I have only been able to make 0.01% of the way to being collecting my first $20 payout, which obviously is hard, but I want to be showing you the methods that I've used on other accounts to be easily able to double my potential for making so much more from HoneyGain. So the biggest one is that you guys are definitely going to want to be putting your phone in power saver mode. Now, I can't do this because it's going to stop the recording of the video, but when you go ahead and put it in power saving mode, it's just going to dim the screen and save battery power. And then you can just turn it off anytime by just tapping on your screen. And the best part is that you can just leave your phone on the charger, and then your phone will just be passively making you money while you're not even doing anything. You could go on the computer, you could go play some video games, you could go to school, you could take a shower, and just while you're there, you're going to be making some passive easy money from HoneyGain. Now, this leads me on to my second tip, which is how I was able to make $20 to $50 a day, which is without a doubt when you are not using your phone, be using HoneyGain. So whenever I would go to bed, I would just stick HoneyGain on my phone, stick my phone on my charger, and then just watch and let it work. And sometimes throughout the night, I would make up to $10 depending on what the rates are for the day, which obviously is an absolute steal for you. And for my third tip is that you got to make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi. Do not do this on data. You are going to be burning through data about as fast as you're going to be going ahead and subscribing to the channel from this video. And obviously you do not want to be wasting your precious data, because I know most of you do not have an unlimited plan. And I know how most unlimited plans work is that they barricade you after 20 gigabytes, that they'll just significantly slow down your data. So you might as well just not have an unlimited plan anyway. So I would highly recommend always making sure you stick your phone on the charger and that you're on data. On top of that, you can turn on airplane mode, and then you can turn on Wi-Fi only. So that means you are using no data at all. Or you can just scroll up like this and just turn off this button right here, which this is your data mode. Obviously, I'm going to turn that back on because I want it to be on for this entire recording. And for one of my last tips of making some easy money from HoneyGain is that you are going to be wanting to do everything in your power to be going ahead and hitting that $20 cash out bonus as soon as possible. Because obviously you want to be cashing out as soon as possible, because once you do, it's just easy to get that habit going, because you already have that reward of like, oh, I made that $20. Now I can just keep going. All you have to do is that before you sign up for HoneyGain, make sure you sign up with a referral code. Now, and as you can see right here, if you sign up from HoneyGain with a referral code, you will get a $5 bonus starting gift, which obviously is going to be an excellent use of your time because you're already 1/4 of the way there. And this is just such a low barrier to entry thing that it doesn't make sense why you don't go ahead and do it. Now, if you don't have a HoneyGain referral code, if you don't have someone who also has HoneyGain that you can get the referral code from, I do have a referral code, and for full transparency, it does support the channel. But if you are interested in getting that free $5 starting gift, I would highly recommend going and checking out the link in the description and just using my referral code, because it's such a low barrier to entry thing, and it's not going to take you no more than 5 minutes, and it's definitely going to be worth your time because of that. And for my next tip of making some easy money is going to be trying out their JumpTask. Now, obviously you can't do this passively, but if you go ahead and hit the Let's Start button, you can see right here that JumpTask is actually a very easy survey site that you can go ahead and fill out some surveys, and you can do some offers to go ahead and make some quick cash. And if you go ahead and stick your account ID in here, then you can add the account and get a free 10% bonus on top of whatever points that you make within JumpTask. Now, I'm not actually a huge fan of JumpTask, and the reason why is because the margins for the surveys are honestly just not that good. You're looking at maybe $1, maybe 50 cents per survey. And there are other survey and offer wall sites out there that you can go ahead and use that I know for a fact actually give 3 times the amount of points as something like JumpTask, because obviously the JumpTask people don't want to give their people good margins. And I think that's deplorable, and I think we should be encouraging more competition in the space. And you're probably thinking, well, what is the offer wall site and what is the survey site that I should go ahead and use to be getting the best margins? And the one that I have found the most success with, even though there are some other good ones like Eureka and AttaPoll, I have had the most success with this one called PaidToEarn. From PaidToEarn, I've been able to cash out over 60 bucks just within the last couple weeks of using it. And I gotta tell you, these guys are awesome. I think that this is one of the best survey sites out there right now. They have insane margins, and they definitely make sure that your time is valuable because they give you the exact kind of margins that I know that you've been looking for from a lot of these survey sites. So I want to go ahead and I want to show off the user interface for you guys. And as you can see right here, I have made over 9,000 points, which if you don't know their point scale, it's basically for every 100 points means $1. So that means I have made $90 total, which is an absolute steal. And I know that you guys will be able to easily match that kind of competition. And if you go ahead and check out Earn, you can see that they have surveys and offer walls and offers, but let's just check out the surveys and the offer walls. As you can see right here, we have 4 different platforms which we can go ahead and fill out surveys for. We have WannaAds, CPX, InBrain, and BitLabs. The one I would highly recommend is CPX Research because these are the guys who I've had personally the most success with. And as you can see right here, for not even 10-20 minutes of your time, you can get up to $2 free, which you are not going to find a single survey site out there that has as good of margins as these guys. Let's just check out CPA Lead. You can see right here, we can make $2 just from this easy survey. We can get almost $1.50 for filling out this survey for a free $500 gift card. And we can go ahead and check out the WannaAds offer walls. And you can see right here that if we just go ahead and play World of Warships, we can get a free 450 points, which means $4.50. If we sign up for AARP today, we can get $10. And if we sign up for Revolt, we can get also another $10. So you guys are going to be easily able to cash out a ton of money from these guys right here. And if I go ahead and I go to the cash out bar right here, you can see that they have a lot of different methods for cashing out. And if you're interested in the method of cashing out that they don't have, their support is very, very responsive. And I know that they're going to be more than happy to go ahead and help you guys out and make sure that you get the kind of cash out reward that you want. But if you want to know what the minimum cash out is, let's just use PayPal as an example. It is 500 points for $5, which for me, I was able to make this within literally 20 minutes of me starting on Pay-to-Earn, which I know is exactly the kind of margins that you guys are looking for, because I know times are tough and I know a lot of people are looking to make some super easy money online, and I know Pay-to-Earn is a really, really good one. And if you guys go ahead and sign up for Pay-to-Earn with my link down below, you will get a free $1 upon sign up, and you're going ahead and supporting me and supporting the channel. For full transparency, it is an affiliate link, but if you don't want to use that affiliate link, you could just search up Pay-to-Earn, or you could just go to paytoearn.com. Honestly, I totally understand that, and I totally get it, and I will not fault you for doing that. But as always, we have reached the end of the video, and I want to go ahead and extend a personal thank you so much for watching, because I do genuinely really hope that this is going to be your guys' ticket to be making some free easy money from HoneyGain and from other sites and just online in general. I know times are tough, and I do love making these videos because I do genuinely believe that I'm out here improving lives, because I'm just trying to get people the rewards that they actually deserve, compared from a lot of these sites and a lot of these programs that are just out here to scam. But I'm really trying to go ahead and help you guys. So if you do want to go ahead and help me out, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, or you can go ahead and watch any one of these videos right here if you're interested in also making some more easy money online from free out money methods. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and I genuinely do hope you have a good day.